Hello and happy holidays. I know it's not quite the holidays yet, but it kind of is to me. I'm wearing my ugly Christmas sweater right here. It's got Krampus on it. Gotta love that. This is from uglychristmassweaters.com if you want to go check this out. But it's really soft and comfy and I love it. But that's not what this video is about. It is about something Christmassy though. I have here this box. Oh, it's so pretty. And it's filled with chocolate. This is from a brand called Vosges. And this is their advent calendar for this year. It's got this colorless thing here. I'm gonna put that down. It has 24 different boxes filled with delicious chocolates. So I am excited to get started with that. It has here the advent calendar information and all of the chocolates that are on it. When you take the box out, you can turn it around. And it's got something on the other side. And then once you're all turned around, it will make this whole cool new design. So it's very cool. I see chocolate bunnies. Oh my God, they're so cute. I think this retails for about $150 on their site. And I am excited to just kind of dig in and pick out a few flavors that I think we're gonna really like. Should we open each one? I think so. I think we should. So the first one here for day one is turmeric ginger mini chocolate bar. Mini chocolate bar. That sounds delicious. Next one for two, I'm looking down here at the thing, so just so you know. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be really good. Maple sugar and walnut caramels. Number three is spiced snow bunnies. They're filled with like a dark chocolate. They're really, really good. Number four is a Texas pecan toffee. Oh, look at that. A little bag of toffee. Feel like I'm gonna try this one. Red Hawaiian salted caramels. Let's try one of these. Let's see what we got here. So it's got two in here. I'm gonna open this up. Try one. Now the thing about Vosges chocolate is it's a French company and French chocolates are like amazing. So I have high hopes for this. Red Hawaiian salted caramel. I need a moment. This is really good. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Okay, next one is coconut ash and banana mini chocolate bar. Next one is black salt petites. Look how cute those are. Those are so cute. Next is super dark matcha green tea mini chocolate bar. This looks amazing. This here is the Mexican pecan caramels. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Next we have Dulce de Leche caramels et chocolat. I'm trying to say it in an accent. I'm terrible at it, but I tried, right? Ooh, Moe's dark mini chocolate bacon bar. Oh yeah, that one's mine. We're trying that one right now. Bacon bar. Have you ever had bacon with chocolate? It's surprisingly amazing. I'm just gonna have a nibble just to try it out if I can get it open. It's really good. Oh my God, that's so good. 62% dark chocolate. The bacon in it, it gives this kind of a smoky, salty flavor. Next we have, a woodland gnome. That is really cute. And this is a mint chocolate. He's so cute. I don't know if you could see him, but he's just like this little Santa guy. Let's see, number 13. Happy hedgehogs. There's a set of 3 little hedgehogs in here. And this is burnt sugar caramel, Texas pecans, black Himalayan salt, and 45% dark milk chocolate. That is really, really cute. Next is more bunnies. More spiced snow bunnies. Number 15 is black salt petites again. We had that earlier on the 7th, I believe. Number 16, super dark matcha green tea mini chocolate bar. This doesn't look like it. Next one is more spiced snow bunnies. More spiced snow bunnies here. More red Hawaiian salted caramels, which is awesome because these are delicious. Number 19 is happy hedgehogs again. Number 20 is, oh, this is new, pink salt petites. Number 21 is another little mint woodland gnome. That's gonna have his head bit off soon. Next is Texas Pecan Toffee again. We had that earlier on day 4. Number 23 is Blood Orange Hibiscus Caramels. That sounds delicious. And last but not least is number 24. This is the IGP Piedmont Hazelnut Bonbons. Does that not sound like amazing or what? And I'm gonna put this back here and you can see the final design. You ready? Oh, I love it. That is really cool. One of the nice things about this advent calendar is it is refillable, so you can put it whatever you want in each of the drawers. Box is absolutely beautiful. It's got these kind of embossed little metal critters on them. And we've got a unicorn on the back, which is really cute. And another really cute thing about this is along the sides here, it's got the story of 'Twas the Night Before Christmas, which is very cool. There you go. This is by Vosges. I'll leave a link down below. If you like this sort of thing, be sure to hit that like button so I know that I can do more of this. Make sure that you subscribe and hit those notifications so that you know every single time I upload. And we will see you again next time.